Hello there, it's Avinav Nirola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, it's another Saturday and hence we have another IPL T20 2020 doubleheader on the cards. To begin the doubleheader with, we have a day match coming up between two of the best sides of the tournament, Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals. Let's preview this clash. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 31st of October 2020, the Dubai International Stadium Dubai is going to host this encounter. Of late, this venue has been hosting matches involving 150 to 170 run chases. Expect a tinge of both grass and moisture to be in and on the surface, but will these factors really counter the slowness factor that the pitch has been attaining since last 2 weeks or so? The spinners and the mix-up pacers are expected to succeed in this particular matchup. It might not be the easiest of tracks for the batsmen. The pitch is expected to slow down as the match progresses on, so expect the toss winning side to opt to bat first. Delhi Capitals: Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Shreyas Iyer captain, Rishabh Pant wicketkeeper, Marcus Stoinis, Shimron Hetmyer, Harshal Patel, Akshar Patel, Ravichandran Ashwin, Kagiso Rabada and Henrik Nokia. After climbing high up on the cliff in the first 8 to 9 matches, this side amazingly has gone downhill in its last 3 matches. A week or two ago, DC looked like a favourite to be one of the finalists, but now their qualification scenarios appear to be 50-50. Expect Patel to replace an underperforming Deshpande. Patel just is that perfect individual to come in at number 7 and really smack some balls out of the park. Plus, his bowling prowess is something that makes him look like a proper bowler when he bowls. DC desperately need to pull off a win here. Mumbai Indians: Chris Lynn, Quirin de Kock wicketkeeper, Suryakumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan, Kieron Pollard captain, Krunal Pandya, Hardik Pandya, Rahul Chahar, Dhawal Kulkarni, Trent Bolt and Jasprit Bumrah. Since MI have already qualified for the playoffs, expect them to tweak their combination a bit in such a way that the balance of the team doesn't get throttled, as they still need to win at least a match to secure their place in the top 2s that get facilitated in the best possible manner. Expect Lane and Dhawal to come in place of Pattinson and Tiwari respectively into the side. Sky is expected to keep cashing on to his supreme form. He definitely is knocking the national team's doors. Will they secure their place in the top 2s by knocking DC off? We shall find it out. A side like DC deserve to attain an automatic qualification, so expect DC to go all guns blazing in this very encounter. Take care.